What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here, Will Stewart 365, and today we have another first impressions video. I just got this package in. It is a Gents Scents collaboration with Michael Malul London. I got a sample set of all of the Gents Scent collaboration fragrances. Today we are going to see if these fragrances smash the box. So I got these in. It's the first impressions. I subscribe to Jet Scents on YouTube. I really enjoy his videos. We have a little bit different nose. Some of the things that he likes, I don't necessarily like. But these are the fragrances that he did a collaboration with Michael Malul London. I've put labels over my address so that you can't see it. But other than that, this is a first impression ready to go. So recently, they had a little bit of a sale where you could get 3 different samples for 45 bucks. And so I went ahead and did that. We got a little box here. Got the branding of the brand. Looks like the scents come in little bags. And let's take a look and see which ones we have. We got our handy dandy test strips ready to go. Let's check these fragrances out. First impressions. So let's start with the black one first. I like black colored things, objects, clothes, all of that good stuff. So this one is Jet Black Enigma from Michael Malul. I don't know any of the notes of these. All I know is it says Michael Malul, Gents Scents, Jet Black Enigma. Let's take a look at this one here off of paper. We'll see how this smells. So it comes in a little 15 milliliter bottle. Let's check this out. So, wow, the atomizer is really good. It's like a pressurized atomizer. So first off, it's got a little bit of a Bulgari Men in Black type of profile in the opening. I'm getting that kind of similar spicy, dark scent profile. I don't know the notes for this or what's in it, but it's not bad. Not bad. I think it's a little bit fresher, a little bit more fresh than a Bulgari Man in Black, but it does remind me of that. It's got a little bit of like a black licorice. It's not a strong black licorice, but it's got a little bit of that feeling in the opening. You smell leather. I can smell a leather accord here that kind of gives it that black licorice, vibe. Definitely getting a leather and some spice. But it's okay. I mean, on skin, this one in the last first impressions video that I did, I think I gave Bulgari Men in Black 5 out of 10. I have worn that on skin since, and it smells pretty good. I still don't think it smells like Spice Bomb, but it definitely smells good. This one though, I think I'm gonna like it a little bit better, a little bit smoother. But definitely, leather with a spice, which for me kind of gives it a little bit of a black licorice touch. It's not sharp and poignant like a black licorice because of the leather, some of the spices. But yeah, we'll have to see how this one does on skin. I'll do a review about that later. But first impressions, I'm going to say 6.5 out of 10 first impressions. But probably just like the Bulgari Men in Black on skin, this one is going to smell a lot better. A lot better. What else do we got here? We got 4. I only ordered 3. I don't know what that's about. But thank you for the extra. extra one. So here in this green bag, we have, it's a different bottle. He said these were all supposed to be like 15 mil. This is only 10 mil. So I got 5 mil for free, I guess you could say. But we got 2 of these. This is Terra Nova. Let's take a look at these ones. What do I do with my test strips? There they are. Grab no test strip. Right now, I can tell you this this bottle, sample bottle for the 15 mil is a lot nicer than this one. I don't know if this is the normal one or if it's an older one or what, but it's different. And I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. So right away, this doesn't have a pressured atomizer like this other one does. It's just going to be your normal kind of sample atomizer, decanter, that type of deal. But this one is a lot different than this one. This one is a freshy, lemony, sweet. Like it's a lemon. It has a lemon sharpness, but it's almost like a lemon drop, candied lemon. Issey Miyake-esque, but not as sharp. Smoother, more well-rounded. And yeah, I like it. This one for a freshie from lemon. It's got a little bit of a woody undertone. Maybe even like a Hermes, but doesn't have that dirty vetiver feel to it, which personally I don't like. So I like this one better than the Hermes. But it's a little bit light, like it's disappearing after 3 sprays on the test strip. I'm going a little bit nose blind to it. So I can already tell that even if on paper the scent kind of dissipates and goes away after the first 5 to 10 minutes, once that opening dies down, that it's probably going to have some projection issues. Probably going to have some longevity issues as well. But first impression wise, I'm going to give that one 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. So what's next? We got Blue Ridge. So this one is Blue Ridge. And it came in the same type of 15 mil bottle that this one came in. So different than this one. This is just like a normal decanter. This one has some weight to it. And if this atomizer, like that atomizer, it's going to be really good. So let's take a look and see. After one pump, you're getting fragrance. Okay, so yeah, this one's like a fresh blue scent. Yeah, I really like this one. It smells like a clean, fresh out of the shower blue. It's got some good depth to it. Let's spray this one on skin. This one will be the scent of the day. Give it a little time to work its way in. But yeah, no, it's a nice blue freshie. Can't really think of anything that it reminds me of. But it smells nice, clean, fresh out of the shower. You know, soap, good quality soap, fresh soap. Smells good. I can't really think of, it's pretty unique. I can't really think off the top of my head. Now, granted, I have a limited collection. So I can't really think of anything off the top of my head that it reminds me of. But maybe Jimmy Choo Man Blue. Like I said, it's a blue fragrance, but I'm trying to think of, you know, different fragrances that it might remind me of. I don't know. I like it. I think first impressions wise, obviously I sprayed it on today. We will see how this one performs. But right now, off first impressions, I think I'm going to go ahead and give this one a good 8 out of 10. So we got Jet Black. I can't remember, 6.5. I think I gave this one, but like I said, I'll have to wear that one on skin. Still a bit too warm here in order to be wearing this one. Terra Nova, gave this one, I think, I don't know, I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10 now. I can't remember what I gave it before. You'll have to go back and watch and see, but 8 out of 10 on this one. A good lemony with a woody base fragrance. A lemon that's a little bit sweeter, a lemon that's leaning towards an orangish feel. So it's not like a sharp lemon, but a smooth, good kind lemon. And then you got Blue Ridge, a blue fragrance, obviously fresh. Definitely kind of smells like, it reminds me of like, you know, maybe some auto car fresheners, but better than that, obviously. But I mean, kind of that same blue vibe that you get from some air fresheners. I like it. I like it. 8 out of 10 on that one. That's it for today. We've been looking at the Michael Malul, or however you say that. Malul, M-A-L-U-L, Michael Malul, plus the Gents Scents collaboration. Jet Black Enigma, Blue Ridge, and then 2 Terra Novas. So, I don't know. If you guys have smelled these before, let me know what you think. Recommendation-wise, this one's yet to be determined. YTD. We'll have to wait and see if that one's on skin before I can recommend it. This one, if you like freshy blues, this one is good. Quality, smells good. Projection is fairly good. After 3 sprays on my arm, I can smell it here at about nose level. Terra Nova, a good summer lemony, you know, fresh, but I would say sweetish lemon, like a lemon drop type of a fragrance, which I like lemon fragrances, and these are pretty good too. So I would recommend Terra Nova, Blue Ridge. Give them a try. I think these full retail price are around like $140. Normally the samples are around $25. I got 3 samples for $45 on a special deal that they were running. Blue Ridge is eau de parfum, so that's good. You're gonna get high concentration. Terra Nova, I don't know, it doesn't say. Jet Black Enigma is also eau de parfum. So this one I can already tell has a better projection than the other 2. That one's still on the strip. Terra Nova, smell it, but go on there, it's good. And then Jet Black Enigma, definitely leather forward on this one. A little bit sweet now that it's had time to a little bit to dry up. Get a little bit more of a sweetness, fruity leather. That's what I get off paper. We'll have to see on skin. But folks, that's it today. That's what we've been reviewing. We will see you guys next time. I am out of here.